So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Brightcom Group Share. So many people have requested to make a separate technical analysis video on BCG. So we'll see what are the major regions that we need to focus. So before discussing about this particular stock, so let us discuss how the market is going to react in the coming sessions. So we know recently the Fed chairman meeting has also given some positive statements, and market, as we can see in SGX Nifty, so that is also indicating a strong gap up opening. And apart from that, we also need to remember that the new SEBI rules would be implemented from the coming sessions. So you need to be very cautious if you are doing any sort of intraday trading. So a liquidity problem would be present, because we know if you want to do the intraday trading, so you need to have exact the same amount, actual amount that you want to actually trade. So no leverage and such sort of activities would be provided from the coming sessions. So need to understand all the important dates. So moving towards Brightcom Group. So recently, after we have discussed when the bonus issue has happened, so little bit of downfall was present in the stock, and again the stock has started retracing. So let's quickly go to technical charts. So there we'll try to focus all the major important levels. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group. I'll provide a link in the comment section. Okay, so discussing about BCG in weekly chart time frame. So you can see it has closed near the 35.50 rupees level with almost 5% positive movement. So all the stocks, as I told, especially the small caps and mid caps, so in the recently they have started retracing. So whatever the correction they have given, so few already have retraced and few are taking little bit time to adjust their consolidation phase. So if you see BCG, so consecutive weeks we are seeing little bit of downfall. Again, the stock is also retracing, and especially people have taken it high levels, especially near 40-45. So they're facing little bit of loss. And we know after the bonus issue, many people had a first question, when do we get the extra shares? So whatever they should get extra 1 share for the existing 4 shares, so definitely it will be created within 20 to 25 days. So don't worry about that. So you'll get a message from CDSL as well. So all the process will take normally and little time consuming process, but at any point of time, so they will be credited. So don't worry about that. So technical wise, the next major resistance would be the 40 rupees level. So in the coming sessions, you need to watch this particular level, and if it crosses that, so then we can expect a very good smooth move in the stock. So as I told, liquidity problem would be present, so don't worry about this. So this stock already belongs to NSE B category. So apart from this particular category, you need to focus other stocks which have a basic liquidity. So there a little bit of price difference may be observed. Okay, so this is in weekly chart time frame. So let's even discuss on daily chart. Okay, so next, if we see on daily chart time frame, you can see the stock after approaching the 50-day exponential moving average, we have seen a very good recovery on back-to-back days. You can see we have observed the upper circuit. So whatever the new SEBI rules are present, so it will be applied to only intraday positions, not for any long-term investment. So long-term investments, you can freely buy all the stocks, nothing to worry. So only people are doing swing and intraday, so they need to understand the basic structure, like how to trade and how to identify liquid, illiquid, all these things they need to understand. Okay, so as I told, 40 is the next immediate level. So after 40, we have the 45 rupees level. So earlier also, when the stock has approached that particular zone, we have seen little bit of retracement. So support is also very important. Make sure you're noting down the support as well. So this is, we know, a time taking stock, but worth holding. So I can tell that one point. So keep holding it. So if you want to have any fresh entry, you can add in small portions. So best level would be near 30-35 in that particular zone. Also you can add, and if it crosses 40, some more, you can increase your quantity. So these are all the major important levels. So money flow index also, it is near 61, not even in overbought region. So now only it has started gaining some momentum. So further, if you're having any doubts, you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is Stocks Derivati. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.